With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is the frequency of a simple pendulum is an oscillation per minute while that of another is n plus 1 oscillation per minute. The ratio of the first length to the second is, so we have ABCD option is given here. So the solution of this question is, we know that time period T is equals to 2 pi multiplied by L length divided by G, and we know that time period is equals to 1 divided by F frequency. So F is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi, and this is G divided by L. So from this we can say that we have to find the ratio of length. So length is inversely proportional in the square root of the frequency is the inversely proportional to the length of the length in square root. So we have the length of the pendulum, and from this we can say that frequency 1 divided by frequency 2 is equals to length 2 divided by length 1, and from this we can write here length 1 if we square on both sides. So we get frequency 1 square divided by frequency 2 square is length 2 divided by length 1, but we have to take the L2 divided by L1. So we can write this as, so this will become F2 square, that is frequency 2 square divided by frequency 1 square. So from this we can write here frequency 1 is n divided by 60 and frequency 2 is n plus 1 divided by 60. So by dividing 60 and 60 will cancel out. So this is n plus 1 whole square divided by n square. So we have the length ratio L1 divided by N2 is n plus 1 square divided by n square, and this is the answer for the question. Now we check which option is correct here. Option C is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.